Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Captain here, back with another new smartphone released video. Today in this video we're talking about the new Redmi 10X series is here officially with a dual SIM 5G and Dimensity 800 chipset and some little price. So talking about the new Redmi smartphone, make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for the latest tech video. Xiaomi subsidiary Redmi unveiled its latest phone today with the 10X series. We get a 10X 5G and 10X Pro as well as the 10X 4G, which is a rebranded Redmi Note 9 for the Chinese market. The new 10X 5G and 10X Pro bring dual mode and dual SIM 5G connectivity, AMOLED display, Dimensity 820 chipset and a highly competitive price tag. Upfront, both the 10X 5G and its Pro come with a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with FHD plus resolution and water drop notch. The 10X 5G has a 16 megapixel selfie shooter, while the Pro ups it to 20 megapixel. The panel on both also come with a 180 Hz touch sampling rate and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Around the backside, both phones come with a 48 megapixel main shooter and 8 megapixel ultra-wide snapper, but the Pro at 8 megapixel telephoto module with 3x optical zoom and OIS as well as 5 megapixel macro camera. Under the hardware, we have the MediaTek Dimensity 820 chipset with a 8 gigabytes RAM, 6 and 8 on the 10X 5G and 8 gigabytes RAM on the Pro. Storage range from 64 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes. The software front is covered by the MIUI 12 on top of the Android 10. Both phones come with a 4520 mAh battery with a 22.5 watt fast charging on the 10X 5G and 33 watt on the 10X Pro. Both come with the IP53 rating and a headphone jack, and the Pro also gains NFC as well. The Redmi 10X series will be offered in a blue, pink, gold and white, 4 colors. The 10X 5G starting price Chinese yuan 1,599 yuan, equal to $224 for 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage, and most affordable 5G smartphone in the market. So I think this is the most cheapest smartphone in 5G. Let me know in the comment section, is this the most cheapest or any other There is also 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model available in Chinese yuan 1,799 yuan, equal to $252, as well as 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage available in Chinese yuan 2,099 yuan, equal to $194, and 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of model for Chinese yuan 2,399 yuan, equal $336, and official sales begin on June 1st. The 10X Pro will be offered in 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage for Chinese yuan 2,229 yuan, equal $322, and 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage variant available for Chinese yuan 2,599 yuan, equal $364. It calls sales on starting June 6th. The Redmi 10X 4G already up for sale, starting Chinese yuan 999 yuan, equal $140 in its 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant. There is also 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model available in Chinese yuan 1,199 yuan, equal $168. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like this new smartphone and also cheapest smartphone right now in the world? This is the most cheapest smartphone, $224. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone or not? And like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos. By the way, if you want to buy this smartphone, link in the description, go and check it out. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.